One of the most common questions we get is how much money we can save with a solar system. Just with solar PV alone, we can reduce your energy bills by at least 60%. My name is Christy Lee and I'm the Managing Director of Platinum Solar Designs. Platinum Solar Designs is a renewable energy business specialising in solar, battery storage and EV charging. We're a family-owned and operated business. We provide our services to residential homeowners in Illawarra, Wollongong, Far South Coast, Southern Highlands. And for our business customers, we service Sydney and the Illawarra. Getting solar can be confusing when you hear terms about rebates, feed-in tariffs, kilowatts, what size system do I need? When making the switch to solar, we aim to make the process as simple as possible for our customers. Some common questions we are asked about solar is, what size system do I need? How many panels do I need? How much roof space will this solar system take up? And how long does it take to install? All these questions are very common questions and unique to the customer's property. And we cover all these questions in the initial consultation. Some misconceptions about solar is the overall price. People think solar is too expensive or unachievable, but in reality, we have an extensive range of solutions to suit every budget. The brands that we offer are global leaders in the solar energy space. These have been handpicked by us. We take our product selection very seriously. We personally visit their factories to make sure that we are offering the best solutions to our customers. We have our own in-house installation team, which helps us maintain our installation quality. They go beyond industry best practice to give you the confidence that your installation is in good hands. It's important to have your solar system installed professionally to ensure its performance and longevity for years to come. To start the process, all we need is to understand your energy usage, which can be as simple as entering it into our form or sending us through an energy bill. Just with solar PV alone, we can reduce your energy bills by at least 60%.